Let's watch some TV.
Good morning. Today, a new toy has come out. It's called the fidget spinner. This is an anti-stress toy. Buy it now for $10.
Holy crap. I gotta get one now.
Welcome to the Siren Mart. What do you need today?
Do you have any fidget spinners?
No, they are sold out.
Darn it.
Welcome to Toys R Us Tornado Siren Edition. How can I help you?
Do you have any fidget spinners?
Yes, but we only have one.
I'll take it.
$10.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Do you have any fidget spinners?
No. I just sold the last one to that T22.
Are you me? How could you sell that thing to a weak piece of I am the loudest tornado siren in the world and you don't have any fidget spinners? You moron.
Jeez. Calm down.
No. You can go yourself.
God.
Unbelievable. Who's flushing the toilet? Wait, is that my cell phone? Diamond P50. Hello?
Hi learner. Did you hear about the fidget spinner? Because I have one.
Really? Oh my god. I have one too. And so do Thunderbolt and P10.
Cool. And, do you wanna hang out with me, Thunderbolt, and P10 with our spinners?
Alright. I will call them. Bye.
Bye. I wonder if they are.
Hi.
Hi.
What colors are your fidget spinners?
Mine is yellow.
Mine is red. Mine is blue. And mine is green.
Let's spin 'em all. In 3, 2, 1.
Hey. Why are Thunderbolt, P10, and Learner here?
Oh no. I invited them.
Oh, okay. And what is that?
It's a fidget spinner.
Oh, I remember. I have one too.
You have one too?
Yes. Mine is orange.
Are we gonna spin these or what?
Oh sorry. Let's spin them. The spinner that stays spinning the longest wins. The spinner that stops first will lose. We will start in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Darn it. Mine stopped first. Mine stopped.
Mine stopped.
It stopped.
Yay. I won.